How's it going, everybody? This is Frank once again here at Brickell CDJR Service Department. Today I'm going to show you how to change the tire. Break it down. Alright, so we're here with Matthew. Matthew's a technician here at Brickell CDJR, and he's going to explain how to safely take out the tire.
First, make sure you put the e-brake on so your car is stationary. You don't want your car moving while you're changing the tire. With Dodges, majority of the emergency brakes are on the left-hand side. We safely put the jack on the lift points. Each car has individual lift points, and majority of Dodges have indications underneath the car. But I would like to make sure, always look, make sure it's safely on. Once you have the jack touching the lift points, don't lift it up yet. Make sure you loosen the lug nuts so it's easier and the wheel's not moving while it's in the air. Okay, while it's on the ground, remember, loosen the lug nuts before you even lift up the car. As leverage, you could use your body weight to easily go like that. Or if you're strong, you could just manhandle. Once you loosen all the lug nuts, then you lift up the car and then take off the tire. Once the car is not touching the ground anymore, the tire, you can safely take off all the lug nuts easily. And then once you loosen all the lug nuts, you can easily take off your tire. If you need to put a spare, replace the tire, that's how you do it. And then to put it back on, just put the tire back on, all the lug nuts hand tight. And then, once you have it all hand tight, you tighten it as much as possible, let it go to the ground, tighten it more to make sure the wheel doesn't go anywhere, and you're all set. All you need to do is release here and pull back.
So that's how it's done here at Brickell CDJR. Thank you, Matthew, for your help, and follow us for more tutorials just like this one.